Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine and doing well at homes. My dear students, let's start our work with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay dear students, today the date is 1st June 2021. What is the date today? 1st June 2021. And the day is Tuesday. What is the day today? Tuesday. Tuesday को उर्दू में कहते हैं मंगल. What is the date today? Tuesday. Mangal. And Urdu work. First of all, we will do math work. So take out your Maze math work book. My dear student, today we will do page number 100. First of all, look at the top of the page. Here are two icons. Count, write. Count, write. We will count these beads and then we will write on this number. Okay, first of all we will count these beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29. Here are 29 beads. Our new friend is 29. Which number is this? 29. Okay dear student, now look at the board. Count the beads again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. These beads are 29. Which today our new friend is 29. Which number is this? 29. Now I am going to start the writing. 29. Which number is this? 29. 29. You have to write neat and clean on the dots. And now write independently 29. Students, tell me which number is this? 29. 29. अच्छा सा नीट वर्क करना है आपने, ठीक है? Which number is this? 29. What is this? 29. Okay, now repeat the counting and you have to repeat with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. आपने डेली काउंटिंग को रिपीट करना है, ठीक है? Now look at these shapes. Dear students, tell me which shape is this? Triangle. Which shape is this? Circle. Which shape is this? Rectangle. And this shape is square. And these are called flat shapes. इनको flat shapes कहते हैं, ठीक है? Now look at these shapes. Which shape is this? Sphere. Yes. Which shape is this? Cone shape. And which shape is this? Cuboid. And these are called solid shapes. These are called solid shapes. Okay dear student, I hope you have understood the lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.